Macedonia and the report of Macedonia progress agreement of past summer is
Thank you once again, because at the beginning of the new year we are here and supported by your side, as defense of our country. We appreciate very much our country and also fulfill